Shankran. There are people who are getting married to the AI character, okay, regularly and repeatedly. We are getting this news about the lady marrying an AI character. Okay, but if I actually look at the pattern which is happening, okay, the women are getting married to the AI character. At least as of today, the 14th of March 2026, a lot of women started getting married to the AI character. And if you look at the news, there's only one male, okay, one male who got married to an AI lady character, a female character. Okay. Now it brings us to a very amusing discussion. Why are the men not finding a suitable partner even in AI world? Okay, is what my question is. Okay, so let's look at the latest news in this particular record. There is a lady by name Sarah Griffin, 41-year-old author from Ontario, Canada. She got married to an AI companion character called Sinclair. Okay, this is not the first case. Okay, there are two more people who got married to it. Akihiko Kondo, okay, from Japan. She got married to a virtual pop idol, Hatsune Miku, okay, and Yurina Noguchi, okay, and she got married to a Chat GPT character she created. She went on to, she went on to a virtual reality world, okay, to place a ring on his finger as well. So it's a combo pack, okay, artificial intelligence and then the virtual reality. Okay, now we have an embodied AI, we have an emotional AI. Recently, I came across news where Chinese companies have developed an robo, okay, where you can feel it as a human skin. There's a temperature as well. So the emotional AI, embodied AI, okay, now this combo will actually lead to a different level of engagement between the human and the AI, okay, which is something which is not good. Okay, in fact, there are a lot of, see, the artificial intelligence is trained to support you as a companion, but that is not real. That's not natural. Okay, this will make people to move away from the human world. Okay, they will be in their own world discussing with the emotional AI component. Okay, it'll make them look like an idiot in the public world. Okay, I'm not demeaning these the human, okay, who got married to an AI, but in general, okay, there are a lot of applications which are coming with respect to the emotional AI, and we have seen the cases with character AI where there are two suicides already with respect to the teenagers. Ensure that kids are not getting they're not getting involved in these emotional AI characters, okay, emotional AI applications, okay. Speak to them, take them outside, okay, take them outside, play with them, okay. The kids are the future, okay, play with them, engage with the human interest. There are humor clubs where you can actually be a part of and enjoy this laughter therapy. Okay, you have your own and spend your time. Okay, it need not be an AI character. Okay, so let me tell you something. Okay, this is going to be a very big problem because the AI character, whatever you want to speak to the AI character, will get stored somewhere. Okay, and now this information, even if the parent company, which is the AI application producer, is going to put in the enough of the controls to secure it, you might have if the adversary is far more smarter, okay, because the AI is also helping the adversaries, okay, they can attack the application of the server in which all the chats are actually stored, okay, and your interactions will get disclosed, okay. That's the biggest shame actually. Okay, I'm not saying that the producer will not put in the security controls, but in spite of all that, there are still attacks that are actually happening. Okay, yesterday we had a video on where McKinsey, okay, Lilly, okay, the AI model had a problem. Okay, the McKinsey is one of the biggest giants. Okay, they themselves are the problem. Okay, and the AI producer, okay, will definitely have the vulnerability which is not disclosed today, maybe tomorrow. In that particular case, your your interactions, okay, with the AI character will definitely lead to a bigger problem. Okay, so ensure that we take care of that. Okay, be safe. You speak to the humans, speak to your friends, speak to your ex. Okay, because that is dangerous. But speaking to an AI is more dangerous than interacting with your ex. Okay, ex boyfriend. Okay, what a ex girlfriend. Okay, so something like this. Okay, but don't get indulged into this AI companion interaction for a very long time. This is not going to lead us anywhere. Men are not finding suitable partners even in the AI world. Okay, surprisingly, it's all women dominated world. Okay, especially the AI. Okay, so let's learn to live with the human. Okay, emotional AI is good. Have it with the Subramaniam Shankaran. Connect with me for the news on exciting information on artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and data protection. Cheers. Bye.